Okay, this is section 7, problem number 3. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm just gonna pretty much more go on a rant than I am actually going to solve anything here because I'm sort of frustrated with the problem because I don't think it really articulates the skills necessary for the statistics that I think that we might need, but also I totally don't understand how they got to this particular point at the end. It's very quick. I'm just going to state it and how I'm going to try to solve for it on the exam. Maybe, somebody can figure out why they're doing what they're doing, but it is what it is. So first thing was given to us is that x is uniform, okay, between 0 and 10, okay? And what they want us to do is to find the probability between this x plus 10, 10x greater than 7, okay? So one of the things that I remember seeing a problem is that once we get these kind of probabilities, we know we're going to have to change what's inside there, is we need to figure out what we have, try to articulate that a little clearly. So first thing I know is that I know this f of x is going to be 110 minus 0, which is 110. Then I know that my CDF is going to be the same thing, which would be x over 10. My survival function will be, 10, and then it will be, I'll just look what I wrote down here. Oh, yes, 10 minus x. So these are the things that I've written down. I was like, okay, so how I'm gonna make this look like one of these, so then I can actually answer the question and use the probability. So I need to make this look like something like that. Let's just go ahead and let's get rid of this x, right? This x is really bothersome, and this is how their solution, and this is one of the ways I did it too as well. And I said, oh, okay. There's the that probability. All I did is throw it through an x, distributed. Then I can say, oh, okay. I mean, I don't know what I'm really getting here, but it's greater than 0, right? Okay, so now I have this quadratic, what is parabola? I'm gonna say I got a parabola. I know I can solve this in the sense of that x is going to be between those two, right? Two numbers times each other, turns to a positive 10, they sum up to that 7x. So those two probabilities. That was basically it. Now, I know that these probabilities gotta be greater than 0, right? This is greater than 0 as well, right? So, do I really times these? No, I don't know. There's no really intuitive way that I understand what's going on here. So, this is where I was left off at, and I was like, okay, I'm a little lost here. So, come down to say it, I'm just going to just say what they had. They had 5 plus over 5 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 10, and this is equal to 710. And I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Let's see. Where did we use any of this at? Okay. Yes, we can see that this CDF, right? Right? But is this the true CDF? Do we know that? And it's sort of times in here, but okay, I don't know. I mean, is this the CDF? So CDF is supposed to be x divided by 10, right? And obviously, we're not looking for a deviation or anything like that, so this is definitely not. I was thinking normal for whatever reason. That's not going to even come close. I'm sorry, I shouldn't even said that at all. But this is what they got. They said this is the answer. And I was like, Now, of course, another way of solving this is using the quadratic formula, but it came with the same thing, 5 and 2. But why do you plus them? That's the key. Why do you plus them? Why do you plus 2 and 5? Even though they came out to be negative here. Why? Why? Can anybody figure that out? You let me know. I don't know. I'm just recording this. Yeah. I'm a stat guy, not a math guy. So there you go.